I reached my objective of plus 26% annual returns for 2024. At the beginning of the year, I made this video saying I plan to make 26% this year with stocks. Here is how. And it was in March. How do I have the date? I don't know. It's written here. So it was in March 2024. And the plan was very specific. The plan was to diversify with different holdings in Europe, or I had some Chinese names at the time. And lucky me, the US market were very good to me. And the US markets are very good to everybody this year. Now my portfolio is more than 15%, more 20% of the portfolio is in Europe. And if you look at Europe, you have a horrible performance this year. If you look at our beloved CAC 40, year to date, it's minus 1%. Despite the CAC 40 minus, despite being invested in China, I had Alibaba and Tencent. I reached a performance of, right now we are December 10th when I'm recording this video. We reached a performance of 28%. And okay, this is not the end of the year. I may be a little bit thrilled because I reached my objective. I don't expect my performance to drop significantly because nothing is changing in this market. Maybe it will drop a little bit, but it will be around plus 26% or more. So that's good. That's good. When we were in March, I had a performance of, wow, that was like 17%, 16%. So pretty decent. And I think it will continue in the future. That would be my guess. So congrats, Christophe. That's only the beginning of the journey. But yeah, that's good to have some accountability when it comes to videos. So I'm quite happy with that. We will see if 2025 will be a little bit better. That was just a quick video to share a quick win with you guys. I'm quite happy with the results. And as I evolve as an investor, I plan to have an even better portfolio for 2025. I think it's very much better in terms of protection of capital, in terms of business quality. The portfolio I have right now is very likely to outperform the markets over future years. So I'm quite confident. I reduced the exposure in China. I reduced the exposure in Europe a little bit. And I mean, I still have some names. I still have Stellantis. I still have Evolution. So that's, yeah, I have some names in Europe. But I'm very confident in my portfolio right now. Given all the, even though you consider the macro, the presidency, the conflicts, I think I'm pretty well hedged against all the risk, or I hope to be. So yeah, pretty confident, but we will see in 2025. Maybe I will make a future video on my expectations for 2025. That's it for this video. I wish you a good day. Bye-bye. If you like this content, I have an investing coaching program. In this program, you will learn a complete investing process. You will learn how to find good stock ideas, how to properly value stocks, when to buy, when to sell, so that you can build a strong portfolio with great companies. Additionally, in this coaching program, you will have access to my personalized guidance for long-term results. We will do weekly calls where we analyze stocks together, and you will have access to my private number available 24/7 for full support. If you have any questions, I'm here to help. Click the first link in the description below to get more information. You will get a short video that explains how everything works completely for free. No need for your mail address. Just click the first link in the description and I'll see you on the other side.